Hi, this is Nikita from Hearts, and this is what we do. We make lifestyle products in leather, resin, and canvas. There is a saying when I'm stylizing, it's all about accessories. We started Hearts by making products on small batches for our friends and family in 2018, and this led us to start up our own brand, Hearts. We tend to research on each and every product and create a 2D diagram. Then our master crafts out samples by making patterns with the details given to him. These patterns are used to cut the leather, and then we do skiving for thinning out the edges of the leather. We paste it and keep the pieces of products half ready before we go into stitching. When the sample is ready, we work on user experience. And then, when we find it comfortable, we set out the products to our customers. And the best part is, we extend our product speciality by giving the customers to personalize their products with names, initials, or codes. Oh, wait, we don't end up there. When we researched on personalization, people didn't want only names or codes. They wanted something more like a personal touch. Yeah, the feeling of owning our first bike, our first love the moment our child is born, that butterflies in our stomach. We wanted that feeling on our products. So, we did our research and got a chance to add up pictures or clip arts of our loved ones. Or it can be the first drawing of our children. Why we do this? We tend to give the customer that personal touch in their products. When we all have hard times, we tend to feel low, alone, and depressed. The small personalization on your Heart's products, like a picture of your family member or your favorite person, will give you that small boost to move on. And yeah, that's how we love to do it, to see that small smile on your face. We know we manufacture products based on customer preferences. but how we work on product is quite different. The moment of happiness when the product reaches our customer and they give a feedback. The attachment with our customer is what we want. This is Hearts and this is what we love.